guys, today I have a delicious cake recipe for you. It's been a while, so I'm really excited to share this one, and it's with rhubarb to honor the rhubarb season. And it's kind of like a cheesecake, so if you love cheesecake, I'm sure you're gonna like this one. So let's get started with the recipe. I have my softened butter here with the sugar, and first I'm gonna beat it for about 3 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes, until it's nice and soft and pale. And then when it's really pale and fluffy, I'm gonna first add in about 1 teaspoon of vanilla paste. You could also use vanilla extract or vanilla pod. And then I'm also gonna add in the first egg. And then we want to beat it for about 30 seconds until the egg has combined, then add in the second one and also beat in for about 30 seconds until it's also combined. Then once you've added the eggs, you want to take a separate bowl and combine all your dry ingredients. And we are going to start with about 1/3. And then you want to shortly whisk it in. So just really shortly until it's almost combined. Then I'm adding in about half of the wet ingredients, so the yogurt, and I'm gonna continue beating just shortly until that is combined. So just about a couple of seconds. Then the second half of my dry ingredients, and also beating that in. Also only a couple of seconds. Then adding in the rest of the yogurt. And you know what to do next. Beat that in and then finish with your last bit of dry ingredients. And with that last bit of the dry ingredients, I'm also adding in the cardamom. This is optional, so it's not a must to add, but I like to add a little. And then beat again until combined. And then I just like to fold through with the spatula just to check that the batter is nice and smooth and everything has been combined through the bottom. Then I have my cake tin here. I've buttered it well, and I'm gonna transfer my batter into the cake tin, and then you just want to smoothen it to cover the bottom. Then for the cream cheese topping, I have here the cream cheese with the vanilla and the egg and sugar, and you just want to mix until it's all well combined. Also adding in a tablespoon of flour to it and giving it a short mix. Then I have my cake tin back, and I'm just gonna add in this cheesecake topping on top and also spreading it evenly. And then adding in the rhubarb And the very last thing before baking, also gonna sprinkle some brown sugar over the rhubarb, just a couple of tablespoons, and also a little bit of almonds to add some crunch. And then you want to bake it in the oven as instructed in the recipe. I hope you like this recipe. It's like a combination of a sheet cake and a cheesecake. I really like this kind of cakes, combining two type of cakes in one. And also I think that rhubarb needs something like this. So I think even I've read somewhere that you would want to serve it with something like a milk product, something creamy, to kind of balance out the rhubarb. So here you kind of have that already in the cake with the cheesecake topping, but obviously you could still add a little bit of vanilla sauce on top, so I have a recipe for that as well. I will link it for you here, or you can serve it with a little bit of cream or vanilla ice cream. So serve it the way you like it. I hope you liked this spring recipe, and if you did, you know what to do. Don't forget that thumbs up for support. And if you're new to my channel, then you can subscribe right now, and don't forget to tap the bell, because then you will get a notification whenever a new video comes out. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.